Hello everyone! In the previous video, we learned how to use the circular pattern. Let's see now what alternatives we have and how to choose the right one. Let's say that instead of that rectangle that I used to make the holes, I want a star. I'll go ahead and try to achieve this using the circular pattern. I'm not gonna load that model again, since I want to show you the problems, ups and downs, and benefit of each option, so I'll use something simple. Here I have a star. Let's say I want a circular pattern of stars that look just like this one. I'm gonna create a sketch, so I go to create sketch, choose this top surface right here on my star. And since I want to be a circular pattern, I'll create a circle. So I go to create, circle, center diameter circle. I'm gonna align the center of the circle with the center of the star. Like this is okay. I'm gonna move the circle up. I'll click move and copy. Select my circle and move it up just a little bit to be kind of aligned with the center point of my star. Click OK. Now I'm gonna select my circle and press X on my keyboard so that my circle becomes a construction line. Now I can finish my sketch. Let's try to create our circular pattern. We go to create, pattern, circular pattern. For pattern type, I want bodies. The object I want selected is my star, and the axis will be, of course, my circle. Let's say I want 6 stars. I click OK. You might not spot my problem right away. So, I wanted my stars to be aligned and vertical like this one, in some way, if I can put it like that. These stars aren't facing the same direction, and even if I edit my pattern, so right click, edit feature, I don't have an option for direction. They come as they come, so I can't modify it. So what other options do we have? Well, we saw that Fusion has other pattern called pattern on path. I'll undo this circular pattern and I'll try the other one. To do that, I go to create, pattern, pattern on path. With pattern on path, you can take any model, sketch, or whatever you want and pattern it on any path you design. So, since it works with custom paths, it also works with circles. I'll change the pattern type here to bodies. Select my object as a star and my path, the circle. And I can drag this around. You can see when I drag it, the distance increases. A trick for this is you can go with this arrow back to where you started. And when you get there, it gives you the full distance here. Once you have that, you can simply select the quantity here. Let's say I want 6. And as you can see, I have only 5 because the last one is overlapping. So I'll increase this. And after that, I'll suppress the last one. This leaves me with 6 stars. Click OK. And as you can see, my stars are aligned vertical and pretty.